Hi, I'm Jason Buck. I work with RE/MAX Estate Properties here in Palos Verdes. Our real estate market is very hot. Homes are sometimes selling in less than a week. Now, you may not have all the time to get to all these homes, but I do. And I shoot a virtual tour to help you save time. Hi, I'm Jason Buck. Beautiful day in Palos Verdes, and I'm excited to show you this property, 1124 Via Zumaya. 3-car garage up front. You have your walkway here. You can see this is going to have an amazing view. Via Zumaya is a beautiful street. We're just up from the Lunada Bay area. Margate, the intermediate school, is over there. It's now called Palos Verdes Intermediate. When I was going to school there, it was Margate, way back when. So nice slate entrance here as you walk in. Onto a double door. And then shazam, you're looking right through out to a beautiful view. This property just went through a little remodel as they put in new flooring and paint, and this is a nice beautiful big room here. And then you go straight out to the view, which is just incredible. So you're looking right down onto Lunada Bay. There you go. Wow, beautiful windows. All the way around. Catalina Island, you can see the west end there. So that means the other little island, Santa Barbara, would be right here. And you can pretty much see the sunset all the way around to the other side, which is where it sets in the summertime. So that's an amazing view. The windows are gorgeous, they look new. This is this big living room, vaulted ceiling, and it moves right on through into the dining room. And then this is opened up to another little room over here, kind of like a family room. And then we come on into the kitchen. They just redid this kitchen. Nice. It's pretty. Love these countertops. New cabinetry here. Maple lined. Push and close. This looks new. Clean. Clean kitchen. So, it does have access to the garage out here. There's a little patio. This is the nice seating area. Wow, I mean, the view here is awesome. And then here's the side yard and direct access up into the garage. So that's nice. So top level dining. This is our little family room area. There's a half bath. This big living room. There's the front door, closet, and now double door entry into the master. So also a big vault here, fireplace, huge view. Same view, big. Sitting area here in the master, and then the master bath. Walk-in closet. Pretty big walk-in closet. Two-sided. Shelving over there, and then here's the rest of the bath. More cabinetry. Big shower, double head. And a little patio out here. Pretty room. Let's see downstairs. Wow. So downstairs they have a media room here. Could be a family room. Very nice. And this goes right on out to the pool. Little storage shed and stuff back here. Nice brickwork. Beautiful pool. And a good view. So once again, there's Catalina. The little island's probably here, Santa Barbara, where the sun sets in the winter. There's Lunada Bay. And then we can probably see Malibu and stuff right over here. back into the house. Downstairs living room. Then we have a series of bedrooms. So this was used as an office. That's a big room. It does have closets, so it can be a bedroom. Long hall. This is just a bath. Nice, beautiful shower. Oh, it's so gorgeous. Stand on the floors. Bedroom number 2 downstairs. Doors that go out. This is laundry. Same soapstone. This is the 3rd bedroom downstairs, so there's a total of 4 bedrooms. This one's got a great view too. And another bath. This one's got a full tub in the back. Very pretty. So this is a pretty neat property. I mean, there's a lot of space, there's a good view, nice upgrades. Well done.
Thanks a lot for watching. If there's a home that you want to see, please write to me. I'd be happy to show it to you. I have a lot of information that I'd be happy to share. Just give me a call or write me an email. Thanks and make it a great day.